Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to send pictures on Poly AI. Now, I've watched a lot of fake videos on YouTube regarding this, where you watch it and then you watch another one, they're all fake, and you're just stuck in this endless cycle. So I want to break that cycle for you, and I want to be completely honest with you. So if we come here to this one, Latina Asian baddie, this chat I am in, as you can see right here, there is no such option to send pictures on Poly AI, okay, to the person or persona you're chatting with. That functionality does not exist as of yet. The only thing you can do though is generate images here, okay, but you cannot send them pictures. So I hope you appreciate the honesty, and if you do, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.